Homemade Indonesian Nasi Goreng with egg omelette, affordable IFTAR and Ramadan special for beginners. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Ramadan Mubarak to all our viewers. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll be making homemade Indonesian Nasi Goreng with a delicious egg omelette, perfect for IFTAR during the holy month of Ramadan. This recipe is not only flavorful but also budget-friendly and easy for beginners. So, let's dive into the ingredients and preparation methods. Before we begin, make sure you have the following ingredients ready. 2 cups cooked rice, preferably a day old. 2 chicken breasts, thinly sliced. 3 eggs. 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons sweet soy sauce, kecap mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, optional. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. Cooking oil. Part 1, Nasi Goreng preparation. Let's start with the Nasi Goreng. In a large wok or skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and chopped onion. Sauté until they are fragrant and the onion turns translucent. Now, add the thinly sliced chicken breasts. Cook until the chicken is browned and cooked through. Next, toss in the mixed vegetables. Stir fry for a couple of minutes until they are tender yet still vibrant. Time to add the star of the show, the day-old cooked rice. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce over the rice. For an extra kick, you can add 1 teaspoon of shrimp paste, but it's optional. Season with 1 teaspoon each of ground coriander and cumin. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. Allow the Nasi Goreng to cook for a few more minutes, letting the flavors meld together. Keep stirring to prevent sticking. Part 2, Egg Omelette. While the Nasi Goreng is cooking, let's prepare the delicious egg omelette to accompany it. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat them well with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are thoroughly combined. Season the beaten eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a final mix. Heat a separate non-stick pan and add a bit of oil. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan, spreading them evenly to make a thin omelette. Cook the omelette over medium heat until the edges start to set. This won't take long, so keep an eye on it. Cook for another minute or until it's cooked through. These strips will be a delicious topping for our Nasi Goreng. Now that our Nasi Goreng and egg omelette are ready, let's plate our delicious and budget-friendly IFTAR meal. Spoon the flavorful Nasi Goreng onto a plate and top it with the sliced egg omelette strips. There you have it, homemade Indonesian Nasi Goreng with egg omelette, a perfect and affordable IFTAR option for beginners during the holy month of Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this delicious dish with your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more Ramadan special recipes and cooking tips. Ramadan Kareem, and until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Indonesian Nasi Goreng with egg omelette lovers.